female orthopedic surgeon in South Korea. This is a graph showing the female doctors in Big 5 hospital in South Korea. These are Big 5 hospital in South Korea, Asan Medical Center, where I finished my residency and fellowship, and also one of our panel, she trained in Asan Medical Center, and Seoul National University Hospital, and Samsung Yonsei and Seoul Catholic. It's about 30%, maybe 35% in female doctor in whole total doctors. But in orthopedic female surgeon, physician is only 0.7%. There is only a female orthopedic surgeon. So now it's a 6,738 total number in 2021. The total number of orthopedic surgeon is this, but female is only less than 1%. It's about 60 or 70. But now more and more female residents apply to orthopedic surgeon, but it's still in Big 5 hospital. So I researched how about National University Hospital. There are 10 national university hospitals in Korea, but between 2012 to 2012 to 2020, there 5 of them, they didn't accept female orthopedic resident at all. It's 0%. So we do a campaigns. Korean Residents Association and Korean Medical Women's Association, they do campaign to prevent decrease gender discrimination. And also the lawmakers, they trying to make solutions such as annual inspection or fair resident selection processes. In national point of view, in Korea, still there is no female orthopedic surgeon association. But we do just a non-official annual meeting. And in Korea, there is a national, very specific, special national insurance system, which cover almost all Korean people in South Korea. But there is a big problem in this insurance system. So there's the department like internal medicine, pediatric, which is very high risk, they don't apply. Most of the residents, they do apply a very good department like orthopedic surgeon, dermatology. I mean, they try to make a lot of money. So this is a big problem. So the more competitive in orthopedic surgeon. So I think what I should do is I become a great mentor or a great role model for a resident. And I'm the first resident in orthopedic department in Asan Medical Center. And there is no more female resident after me. So I help them as a pioneer and try to get rid of prejudice and treat interns well, so they apply to OS. So this is a picture of my, when I took during my surgery. This is me, and this is a second grade resident, female resident, and this is my third grade, my resident. So I try to, I try to become a good model for them. So yeah, thank you. This is from South Korea.